Okay, in this video I'm going to show you an example of without performing dependency injections, something that might typically happen. So let's say our greeting here, the hello everyone, let's say that was something that we had to get from a database or some type of service, for example. So we're not just going to have a string, we want to externalize how we get that greeting out of the controller class. So here I'm saying we got some business logic behind that. We're not going to really define what that is, but we do want to get that from a different component. So if I come up here, I'm going to create a new package, and we'll just call that services. And in this, I'm going to create a new interface. And what we'll do is that'll just return back a string, say greeting, doesn't take in any parameters like so. And let's also complete the implementation of that. So I'm just doing Option Enter to bring up that dialog, implement the interface, and we are going to do greeting service impl, say greeting, and we will add that to get. And here, I just want to say, hello everyone from base service. So nothing too complex there. And then in my controller, let's say that I do need to have that. I could do something like private final greeting service, and then also create a constructor for that. And I'm not showing you the optimal way right now, and I'm not going to inject that into. And here I'm just going to initialize it, say new greeting service implementation. So this is a concrete implementation of this. It's very rigid in what I'm doing here. I'm going to say greeting service, say greeting, and let's see here. I'm going to write a quick test for this. So here I'm just going to say JUnit5, create controller test, say hello. And here I can say my controller equals new my controller. Say hello. And now when I run that, what's going to happen is that class is going to get created. You can say hello everyone from the base service. So we are mocking, not really mocking, we are creating a dependency here on the greeting service, but internal to the controller. Right now the controller has all the control as to how that greeting service gets created and how it is managed. So right now this controller does not play nicely with Spring Framework. This is really the way that we do not want to be doing things, but I want to show you the concept here where we're taking a dependency, external dependency that is going to be giving us our greeting, and this is one way that people might do it without the Spring Framework and without using dependency injection. So coming up in the course, we are going to be looking at different and better techniques to utilize that greeting service, but in the context of using dependency injection and within the context of using Spring Framework.